Good afternoon, dear friends. We are going to discuss the case law on motor vehicle claims. On 5/1/2021, the two judges bench of Honorable Justice N.V. Ramana and S. Abdul of the Supreme Court of India, while awarding additional compensation for a deceased woman, in the case of Kirti versus National Insurance Company Limited 2020, in civil appeal number 1920/21, held that it is a problematic idea to think that the housemaker do not add any economic value to the house. That means normally you might have also seen in general, suppose when somebody asks, what is your wife doing? Normally the reply will be, she is a housewife, she doesn't do anything. But you can't estimate the value of service given by her. Suppose if she claims the work done by her, definitely you have to pay in lakhs of rupees. So, now let us go into the details of the case. This incident took place in the year 2014. On 2/7/2014 at about 7 a.m., a young couple by name Vinod and Poonam, aged about 29 and 26 years respectively, they were going on their motorcycle in Delhi city. Suddenly, a Santro car hit them from backside, due to which they received injuries and they died on the spot. Incidentally, the couple were blessed with two siblings, two daughters, both of them are daughters, and aged parents. This Vinod was working as a teacher in Pragati school something, it's a private school, earning rupees 14,000 per month. Of course, even they did not give the salary slip, it was difficult for them to produce even the salary certificate also. Right? So, incidentally, a constable by name Vishnu Dutt, he was present on the spot, he saw the incident even at 7 a.m. And of course, a case under section 279 and 304A IPC was registered and it was charge sheeted also. It is one part. As far as this motor vehicle claim compensation is concerned, the survivors, that is his old parents, and also now these girls have grown up. And one of them is Kirti. So they filed a petition under section 166 of the MV Act. So before the Motor Vehicle Claims Tribunal. Right, okay. So the inquiry has been done and the trial court, normally ADJ court will be there. The trial court held that the driver of the Santro car drove the vehicle in a rash or negligent manner and caused the incident, and therefore the insurance company has to pay a compensation of 40.71 lakhs to the bereaved family, to the two children and the old parents. Of course, now by 2020, his mother also died. Only 3 were left. But the insurance company, National Insurance Company, they did not heed and they have gone in appeal to the Delhi High Court. Delhi High Court has concurred with the opinion of the trial court as regards the incident, and normally you may be knowing there is a tabular formula to estimate the future prospects and all these things. So in that connection, since he was of course earning 14,000 they estimated, and his amount has connected to about some 14 lakhs or so. And since this woman, she was only a housemaker, so no amount can be fixed. So that means it is the discretion of the court. So since she was only a housemaker, so they have awarded compensation only some 8 lakhs to her. 14 plus 8, 22 lakhs, that's all. 22 lakhs, that's all. Now, aggrieved by the order of the High Court, Kriti, Kirti and others, they are tapped at the doors of the Supreme Court, and incidentally the matter came before the two judges bench. Now, as regards other things, okay, Supreme Court agreed, no problem. As regards the homemaker, the concept of homemaker, the concept of housemaker, the concept of housewife. So, you can't estimate the value or the in economic value of the services rendered by the homemaker or housewife. This is what is expected. That's why in Telugu we call it as, in Telugu it is in Sanskrit also. Karyeshu dasi, karaneshu mantri, pujeshu mata, shayaneshu rambha, kshamaya taritri. So these are the words used for ladies, particularly housewives. So, Honorable Justice N.V. Ramana has clearly indicated the work turned out by the homemakers. The plethora of activities. Number one, they prepare food for the entire family, for the children, get them ready, make them ready and send them to the schools. This is her morning core. Later, she cleans and manages the house. She prepares a list of groceries. If possible, she goes to the shop and get the groceries. Of course, nowadays home delivery service also there. She can procure. Then cleaning the house, managing the house. By the time the husband or the children come back, she tries to manage the house. Then at times, of course, because since women are interested, she decorates the house also. And the maintenance is another problem. Suppose, that's why we call it as the woman. Normally, the maintenance of the house, when you step into the house, if you see the house is good, the maintenance by the wife is very good. That is what we expect, maintenance of the house. Then normally we'll be having our aged, old parents. So she looks after these people also. Is it not? Likewise the children, definitely she will be looking after all these people. And lastly, not only these things, in the villages, in the rural areas, even after attending to all these works, she tends the cattle, she grazes the cattle, she assists the husband, or she may work as a coolie also by going to the other fields for sowing, for harvesting, for cleaning, for picking out the crop. So many things she do. So can we expect any salary for her? If you gauge in terms of salary, not less than 1 lakh rupees per month. So don't be under the wrong impression that housemakers do not add economic value. Definitely they are of much value. So this is what Honorable Justice N.V. Ramana and S. Abdul stated. So therefore, now it has been enhanced. The 22 lakhs has been enhanced to 33.70 lakhs, and the insurance company is now ordered to pay compensation to the bereaved members, 2 daughters and father of Mr. Vinod. So briefly, this is the judgment. So in this judgment, please remember the activities recognized by the Honorable Supreme Court of India by the housewife. So don't underestimate the housewife. Don't underestimate that she is only attending to the household work, she is not an employee. If you employ for everything, so other people, definitely it will cost you much. So this thing also, future prospects has also been taken into consideration, and 10 lakhs have been enhanced. So very good judgment. So please read it and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.